Good morning, 5C. For the second part of today's lesson, we will be going through the instructions for activity 5.3. So for activity 5.3, you will be using the online circuit construction kit to find out which materials are conductors of electricity, which materials are electrical insulators. So I want you to go through the activity yourself, but I want to give you instructions on how to use the software to do this activity. So the first thing you need to do after you have written down what I have learned is first to construct this electrical circuit that you see on your activity book, leaving a gap over here. So there's a gap in the center. So let's do that over at the construction kit. So I have a battery, which is here. I have a bulb, which is here, and then I have a wire connecting them like this. And then after that, I have a wire here. There's a gap, and I have another wire here connected to this place. So there is a gap over here as well, which is the same as here. Okay, so what you're going to do, this is what we call a circuit tester. Circuit tester is to test whether a material or an object is an electrical conductor or electrical insulator. So what happens that where are we going to find the items to test today? So we realize at the sidebar over here, besides the parts of the electric circuit, if you go down the menu, you also see other items which can be used to test for whether they are conductors or insulators of electricity. So we have things like a fuse, like a dollar bill, paper clip, coin. We have things like eraser, pencil, hand and dot, and these are the ones that I want you to test on page 37. So I've written down the items that I want you to test. So just make sure that you click on the side menu bar when you drag the items out. So for example, let's do the example that's given to you, a pencil. Okay, so over here I have a pencil. Okay, you realize they sharpen a pencil. What they actually want is to test wood. Wood is the outer covering. So I'm just going to put my pencil here. I'm going to put my wire on the wood, going to put the other side on wire of wood. You realize it is not lighted up because wood is not a conductor, it is a electrical insulator. However, they also sharpen it in this diagram, in this software. So what you can actually do is, let's say if you put on the lead of the if you put on the lead of the pencil and then you put the other side also on the lead of the pencil, we know that lead is metal and metals are electrical conductors. So if I release it, you realize the bulb lights up because it's actually a closed circuit. So the bulb lights up. So pencil wise, the wood part is a electrical insulator. The lead wise, the center, the core part is actually electrical conductor. So in the book is mentioned as wood. So yeah, talking about the outside, so the bulb will not light up. So same thing, I'm not going to do it for you. You try by yourself. If you want to take away the item, just scissors it, cut it, put it back, and then go on with the other parts that you other things you want, dollar bill, paper clip, stuff like that. So let's say if I have a dollar bill here, just put it over here and then I try to connect it together. Okay, I'm not going to connect for you. You go and try yourself. So once you are done for each item, all you need to do is to tell me whether it will light up or not, and whether it will light up or not. But before you do that, for tell you, please make your prediction first. So before you connect the circuit, predict whether you will light up, and then you test it out and write the observations down. So once you're done with all these items, tell me which material. Okay, make sure you're talking about material over here. Which material are conductors? Which material are insulators? All right. Okay, and then you complete the classification diagram over here. So this is the instruction for activity 5.3. I want you to do it using the construction kit, and then you will find out the answer in a very fun way. Thank you very much.